got no damn patience.
What happened?
For this shit.
What happened?
So you see, gotta call a cab to go to the airport, and we got a fucking retard on the other line. I could barely understand him, and all he kept saying was,
"Oh shit." What?
T. Okay, so say it again. Say the whole thing. Tologia. Okay, so what is it? Say it again. TELOGIA. Court. Okay, so 48. No, 2148. Alright, okay, I got it. Where? West Palm Beach. Okay. So P-O.
That's what he was saying? Wait.
Yeah! He was like, wait. Say it again.
Looking at an alphabet chart.
And he's like P-O-L. No! T-E-L! Like, why is it so difficult? I just want a cab. What the hell?
Excuse me. And then what he said, what was the last thing he said?
He said, okay, we got it. I said, are you sure?
Mission Impossible.
5 a.m., are you sure?
You gonna learn today.
He said, yes.
Alright.
Driver will call you. Then he said, okay, the number.
Oh,
what's your contact number? Okay, I gave him the phone number. 917. Okay, it's 207? 917! Okay, so the number is not 207. No, it's 917! Why is it so hard? I feel like I'm being punked or something. Like, I just need to go home, man. I want to go to New York. I need some real people in my life. I want to say, get the fuck out of my way. Like, can I get some noise? I want to walk down the block. I want to walk down the block.
Subways.
I want to walk down the block.
Like, it's not getting bit by these mosquitoes.
Yeah, like, can I see a rat? Fuck a mosquito. Like, what the hell? I can't take this no more.
Can I see a rat? Fuck a mosquito.
I can't take it no more. Like, Florida, I love you, but I need to go home.
Miami is so overrated.
I need to go home. That was the most stressful time I ever had trying to book a cab. I swear to God.
You gonna learn today. Alright.
Like, how do people like this have jobs?
I don't know, girl, but how do I have a job?
I can't. I have no patience for this shit.
Mm-hmm.
How difficult is it to repeat an address and a phone number? Like, is it that hard? Like, am I missing something?
I'm fucking ugly as hell.
Am I missing something? I look like a hot mess right now.
No, alright. J Girl Productions, Samantha Lee, Sammy Lee TV. You already know.
New York in the morning. Thank God.